Learn whenever you want at your own pace and focus with Assisted Self-Paced Learning at BMC Software. In the few minutes of this video, we will share everything you need to know about Assisted Self-Paced Training. The acronym is ASP. You will see how major benefits from self-paced courses and instructor-led training are combined in this ASP offer, and what all is included in ASP, such as instructor videos, hands-on labs, and instructor one-to-one time. What is Assisted Self-Paced Learning? Assisted Self-Paced is a learning experience that has the convenience of 24 hours and 7 days of on-demand training availability, coupled with focused instructor assistance where needed, as well as virtual lab access. Instead of waiting for a course to be offered in a schedule, you can experience the same quality and individual instructor attention, but with the flexibility to learn when you have time and a need. Assisted Self-Paced Training benefits for customers. ASP offers the best of two worlds. Like in an instructor-led course, you get tips and tricks and learn from best practices in instructor videos. You can ask questions in your one-to-one sessions, like in an instructor-led class with 100% focus just only on you. You can practice all key learnings yourself in hands-on labs with a real BMC product environment. Like in a web-based course, you don't need to worry about any course schedule or cancellations. You run the assisted self-paced videos at your pace. Stop and restart when needed, and it's available at any time and any day. You decide if you want to skip topics you know or repeat any topic you want to dive in again in the video recordings, and you can easily find any content via search in the script. Let's look in detail at what all is part of the Assisted Self-Paced Training. Every ASP includes a full course video recording. The course video recording provides the same lecture, demonstrations, and also lab walkthrough as you will get in an instructor-led class. ASP students can start, stop, and play the video to learn at their own pace.
Value. We could do it by folder, we could do it by job name or status or other details, and then from there we can just open. Once we've opened that, we do have the ability to edit, so you can make changes or save the viewpoint so we can come back to it without having to enter the values again next time. Once you've opened the viewpoint, it's going to show the list of jobs. We told it to bring the set of jobs in by the application. So in this case, it's seeing test app, and we're seeing only the jobs that are belonging to test app. This will connect us into the web interface. From here, what we want to do is make sure we're on the monitoring domain, and it's going to give us a tour, and I'm just going to go ahead and X out of that. And we're going to open a new viewpoint. Now the viewpoint is going to give us a way of looking at the jobs that are out there. So in order to create a new viewpoint, what we're simply going to do is add a viewpoint, and I've started on task 2 at this point, and I'm actually going to put the folder name. So by typing in the folder name, this would be online orders. Remember, that's the name of the folder in the JSON, and then hit open.
Especially for non-native speakers, script and subtitles are available, which makes it easier to follow the instructor's audio explanation. Easy-to-use navigation controls allow to control the video play. Every ASP comes with an eBook. The eBook includes course content and lab exercises. You can search for any specific topic, add personal comments, and download the eBook for unlimited use. You can also buy a printed version.
Before we get into the details of the lab, you have the lab system architecture and details, which you must look at before you actually go about doing the labs. That basically helps you understand how the lab exercises are going to behave because of the lab environment, or in case something fails in the lab environment, you might want to come here and look at what component is located where and how you should deal with the troubleshooting part of it.
Another key part of an ASP is a virtual lab. With virtual lab access, every student can perform the lab exercises in a real BMC product environment without any risk that mistakes impact the production environment. ASP also provides students time with BMC instructors. In case you need an expert's help with ASP content, lab exercises, or have any issues or questions, you can schedule dedicated one-to-one time with BMC instructors. In addition to the instructor time, BMC Community access is also available. The BMC Community platform provides product-specific groups to raise questions and learn from BMC instructors, developers, and hundreds of other experienced professionals. If you want to learn more about the Assisted Self-Paced Training or to book this training offer, please visit our ASP webpage or reach out to us at education@bmc.com.